In this video, I'll show you how to deploy an app on Replit in one click. First, sign into your Replit account and open the project you want to deploy. Before publishing, make sure your application is running correctly and that you've saved all of your latest changes. Next, click the Deploy button near the top of the workspace. Replit will analyze your project and display the available deployment options. Review the deployment settings and confirm that everything is configured the way you want. After that, click Deploy to begin the deployment process. Replit will automatically build your application, configure the necessary services, and publish it online for you. Now wait for the deployment to finish. Once it's complete, Replit will provide a live URL that you can use to access your app from any browser and share it with others. Finally, open the live URL and test your application to make sure everything is working correctly. If you make changes in the future, simply return to your Replit project and click Deploy again to publish the latest version. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to deploy an app on Replit in one click. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.